In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a storefront wall for your commercial building. I'm going to show you how to add some mullions to it. And the tricky part is to add a door into your storefront wall. So what I'm going to do, I'm also going to use my column grid layout that I had just to kind of show you how to separate those windows. Yeah. Let me go to wall. I'm gonna go to architecture. So these are your normal walls up here. Then down here you'll see the curtain walls. So you can do a curtain wall, an exterior glazing, a storefront. I'm going to create a storefront, but I'm going to start off with a curtain wall because I find it much easier to kind of separate the panels where I want to put them. A lot easier that way. So I'm going to click on curtain wall. I'm going to zoom in on this kind of front side of this building here. It's not really a building, it's just a bunch of columns standing up by themselves right now. So I'm just going to click somewhere to the left of this column. Wait, what happened here? Hold on. Let me do this again. All right, so I'm going to go to here and kind of drag it over. Now it's working. I don't really care about getting it even on both sides right now. So I'm going to click there. Now I'm going to hit modify. If I look at a 3D view, basically you're going to see that is really just kind of one big sheet of glass, which that's kind of hard to do, is make a sheet of glass that big. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to my south elevation, because what I want to do is I want to separate the glass into panels, and I'm going to start where these column grids kind of line up. So I'm going to have a mullion right in front of each one of those columns. So I'm going to go up to where you see the ribbon in the build panel. You see curtain grid. Curtain grid is what I want to do. I'm going to click on curtain grid. And at first I'm going to use all segments, make sure that's checked. And then I'm just going to kind of click on these curtain grids here. Or I'm going to click on these column grids, place one there, place one there, place one there, place one there, place one there. Now if I go to my 3D view, you can kind of see what that did. It basically cut the glass right in the middle of this column where those column grids were lined up. So now what I can do is in my 3D view, I'm going to draw a horizontal line, or create a horizontal line about, let's see, I want to make that about 8 feet off the bottom there. Right about there, click it. So now I have a line that goes all the way across because I have all segments checked. So if I click on one segment here, now when I go to create my little separation, I'm going to do it right in the middle of each one of these. So let's see, 10 feet. So now instead of it going all the way through to the top and the bottom, it just goes on that one side. So I'm going to do that for each one of these. 10 feet on each side. 10 feet on each side. Just kind of break this up. Yeah, so what I want to do is I'm going to place a door right here. So I want this to be 3 feet on each side. I'm just going to kind of drag this over 3 feet. Right about, oh, come on, baby. Right there. 3 feet on this side. Right here. I'm getting close. Right, ooh, past it right there. Okay. So now I'm going to go to click on modify to get out of that. So these are where I have my glass sheets kind of separated, my curtain grid. So then I can go to mullion. I'm going to click on the mullion. This is where it's going to add my frames around each that's going to hold the glass. So I'll click on mullion. And the easy way is I can just click on, if I do grid line, I can just click on each one, or I can do all grid lines and then just select one of the grid lines, and it puts the mullions in all the way around. Nice and pretty like. So here's where I'm going to have my door. So what I want to do is I'm going to click on modify to get out of that command. I'm going to get rid of this, the bottom mullion here. So it's kind of tricky. Just kind of hover your mouse over it till you see that bottom mullion highlight. Click it. I'm going to press the delete key to get rid of that one. I want to get rid of that one. I want to get rid of this divider one in the middle. And then what I want to do is I want to join these two glass panels. The way that I do that is I'm just going to get rid of this middle curtain grid here. I'll click it and then press delete. And now it joins that big glass together. So now, I know a lot of times you try to add a door. If you try to go to your floor plan and add a door in this glass, it's not going to work. What you have to do is I have to select this glass panel here. And sometimes you have to like hover your mouse on the edge and then press the tab key until it selects that whole glass piece there and click it. Now I have it selected. That's the tricky part, right? So then I'm going to come up to where it says system panel glazed. I'm going to click it. I'm going to change this to where you see storefront double door. So basically it's going to turn that sheet of glass into this double door here, and just click that double door and boom, there's my door there. It's kind of a tricky thing to do, so I wanted to show y'all how to do that. If I look at the south view, maybe can I shade this bad boy? Here we go. Nice and pretty like. So you can kind of see there's our double doors. These lines here just kind of indicate how that door opens. So that's the hinge side is where the point is. You can tell where the handle is, how they kind of open up. So we could go in and add more kind of mullions to separate this glass to where they're not so huge, but I think you kind of get the hang of how to do it. Let me go back to my 3D view. So that's kind of how you create a storefront glass wall. There you go.